In today's video, we share a quick trick for easily replacing the Bank 1 upstream O2 sensor and showing you how to do it without bothering to remove the exhaust heat shield. You can have your Bank 1 oxygen sensors replaced in literally 10 minutes or less, which makes you wonder, by the way, what shops charge and why. Anyways, we share the same trick for the downstream sensor. We can get to all of these sensors this way without bothering with removing the exhaust heat shield for most of them. We're doing all of this on a base model, VR6 Cayenne. The sensors are in different spots and are harder to reach on the V8. Remove the engine cover over the coolant cap. All it takes is a few twistable push pins and a T25 Torx screw. So you simply unseat these two oxygen sensors, disconnect them, and you can get to both. So you need a 22mm wrench, under like so. Grab onto the oxygen sensor without removing the heat shield. Then using your hand, you can simply unscrew it, bend the heat shield back a little. Get Bank 1. As we can see, that was the hardest sensor to reach, and we can reach these other three in a similar fashion. Brand new oxygen sensor for Bank 1. Comes with anti-seize on the thread, which is super nice. Already installed for you. Comparing the two. I'm noticing the heat shielding. Plastic flexible heat shielding is a little bit smaller on this oxygen sensor. Wire is much longer. And a trick somebody told me is to put silicone spray on these. And that prevents the connectors from sticking in. That is what we will do. Blast on cables, pulleys, doors, windows, bushings, bearings, chains, lawn and garden. Contents are flammable, so be careful. You don't want this to catch fire. You want to do it when it's cold. Satisfying slip in. And then I accidentally didn't hit record, but we put everything away. Bank 1 is successfully replaced. Zip tied out of the way. And we didn't need to remove anything there. In case your old oxygen sensor was running out of spec and causing bad fuel mixtures, swapping in a functioning oxygen sensor should restore lost miles per gallon. I don't think my old oxygen sensor was running poorly, but I'm glad I did this preemptive maintenance at 140,000 miles and installed a new sensor. Thanks for watching.